The new performer is an ideal device for persons who are involved in sports, fitness training and weight loss. And it is also an extremely flexible device for many other applications, especially useful in conjunction with one or more of the manifestation programs. In fact, you can run it with several programs simultaneously. Now, as far as the parts of this device, what it has from the former device is the dial with 12 specific energies. Now I'm turning it on first before I demonstrate it, and you plug it into power, plug it first into the equipment, and then put the transformer into the wall outlet. So it's already running because here is the switch on and off, and here is the switch for the second power supply, for the second inside generator. Now I leave this here, and those are audio inputs, those two, from external sources such as a CD player or the sound output of your PC when you're running the manifestation programs. And this here are the jacks that you use to measure the exact frequency. I'm going to show this later. So here, let's start with the first setting. The slowest one is for relaxation. It works also very well on the lower back. The second one is for rapid recovery. Energy for extra reps. It's still relatively slow, as you see here. Then for precision, concentration, sharpshooting. That here helps the back and shoulders. Here is for abs, legs and glutes. Let's turn that a little bit around so you see the light better. Blinking. Oops, just a second. Yep, here it is. Then the next one is mind-body coordination. Then physical strength increase. Here to activate supplements, glucosamine, chondroitin, and so on. This is for subconscious commands. And by the way, the mind-body coordination is against subconscious commands. Then increased aggression. And the last one is 32 Hertz, which is for stamina and for endurance, especially when training. It's excellent. Now, the 3 dials are here to set an exact frequency. And here you plug in the frequency meter, which you will get together with the device. Turn this on. You can run both machines simultaneously, then you work with 2 different frequencies, each one for a different purpose. Now, using this, you should know what the frequency means, or you can use the rubbing plate to set it. Then you don't really need the meter. The rubbing plate is for ideomotor response. Whenever it feels different, it rubs differently when you move the finger here, like or some way. It's different from person to person how the difference comes. Then you stop, you rub with one finger, then you move the dial till you have that different feeling. Second dial, third dial, and you set it this way. For this you don't need the frequency meter. However, if you have a specific frequency which is not here, then you set that down, turn on the frequency meter, plug it in, of course, turn this one off, and this is 0.637, so it's below, it's around 0.6 is the lowest, 0.6 or 0.7 Hertz. And here as you go up, you see the different frequencies coming through. 1.338 Hertz, going up more. Not this one, it's the last one. Go up. Here, for instance, 883 Hertz. And you can set it very, very precisely. You know, that's 12.82 Hertz. And that's how you use the frequency meter. Now, let's remove the meter again, turn it off, remove it. And as I said, you can run both simultaneously. For instance, you can have here a frequency for absolute strength, and here you can work on a specific body part. Or you work for mind-body coordination and set here a specific body part. With the manual you will get a list of frequencies, and you can find more of it, of course, on the internet. Then this you can use for linkage, for instance with, that's a well, a linkage for instance with a computer program, and you can simply set it up this way. In conjunction with the program, charge the program, and it's a structural link that goes to the program which you get in connection with it. Or you can put a photo of a person that you want to help. If you work on yourself, you can either use a transfer couple, a TC99, or you can use a power booster, which boosts the power, and at the same time you carry this one on you. It has a hole in it for your keychain. Let's move it here to see it easier. And you put that with you. And it doesn't matter how far you are away, whether in the next room or half across the globe. That doesn't matter. Into the single well, of course, you can put the person and as well a desired trend, a desired action, and works this way. I showed the audio output, and as I said, you can decide to run one of the two power generators or both, and you can, in addition to it, you can get the frequencies of the audio input into the generator and boost the energy even more. Or you can run, you turn both of those off, then plug it in, and you can run the frequency that comes, for instance, from your manifestation program. Don't get fooled that those two are just for these dials, for those two generators. This goes again into the generators, even if nothing blinks here, and then that energy comes by itself. So you can turn off both main generators. If you decide to do those, that generators are pulsing exactly in the frequencies of the audio input or the audio inputs. I repeat here, the main use is for sports, and when you use it in combination with a manifestation program, you have an extremely flexible and a very, very powerful device.